Anthurium pallidiflorum, unveiling the delicate beauty. For plant enthusiasts seeking a unique and captivating addition to their collection, the Anthurium pallidiflorum beckons. This captivating epiphyte, also known as the pale-flowered Anthurium, hails from the lush rainforests of Ecuador. While not as widely available as its brightly colored cousins, its delicate blooms and intriguing foliage hold a special charm. Intrigued? Let's delve into the world of Anthurium pallidiflorum, exploring its characteristics, care requirements, and propagation methods. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What is Anthurium pallidiflorum? The Anthurium pallidiflorum is an epiphytic flowering plant belonging to the Araceae family. Unlike its terrestrial Anthurium relatives, this species thrives by clinging to trees or other structures in its natural habitat. The defining characteristic of the pale-flowered Anthurium is, unsurprisingly, its blooms. Unlike the vibrant reds and pinks of some Anthuriums, the pallidiflorum boasts a subtle elegance with pale yellow or cream-colored flowers. The blooms are enveloped by a spada, a modified leaf that acts as a protective sheath. The foliage of the Anthurium pallidiflorum is equally captivating. The long, slender leaves boast a glossy sheen and a deep green hue. Their distinctive, elongated shape adds a touch of the exotic to any indoor space. How to care for Anthurium pallidiflorum? While the pale-flowered Anthurium may appear delicate, it's surprisingly resilient with proper care. Here's what you need to know to keep your Anthurium pallidiflorum thriving. Light. Anthurium pallidiflorum prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. A location near an east-facing window or under filtered light conditions is ideal. Water. Maintain consistent moisture, but avoid soggy soil. Water deeply when the top inch of the potting mix feels dry to the touch. Allow excess water to drain freely to prevent root rot. Humidity. These rainforest natives thrive in high humidity environments. Consider using a humidifier, grouping your plants together, or placing your Anthurium pallidiflorum on a pebble tray filled with water to increase humidity levels. Temperature. The Anthurium pallidiflorum prefers warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature fluctuations or cold drafts. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a diluted application of a balanced fertilizer once a month can be beneficial. However, avoid over-fertilizing, which can damage the roots. How to propagate Anthurium pallidiflorum? Propagating your Anthurium pallidiflorum allows you to create new plants and share the beauty with others. Here are two common methods. Division. Carefully remove your Anthurium pallidiflorum from its pot. Identify healthy sections with roots and at least one growth point, new leaf. Using sterilized tools, gently separate the divisions, ensuring each has adequate roots and foliage. Repot each division in a well-draining potting mix suitable for epiphytes. Water thoroughly and maintain consistent moisture while the new plants establish themselves. Seed propagation. This method requires patience and is less common. If you have access to seeds, you can try the following. Sow the seeds in a sterile, well-draining potting mix. Maintain consistent moisture and warmth, around 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 degrees Celsius. Germination can take several weeks. Once seedlings appear, provide them with bright, indirect light and gradually reduce humidity as they mature. Anthurium pallidiflorum versus Vittarifolium. Anthurium pallidiflorum has a deeper green color, Anthurium vittarifolium is lighter green. But to notice the difference in color, plants need to be well lit, otherwise, poor lighting can confuse you and make a light-colored leaf look dark. Anthurium pallidiflorum, a captivating addition. With its delicate blooms and elegant foliage, the Anthurium pallidiflorum is a true conversation starter. By providing the right care and environment, you can cultivate this unique epiphyte and enjoy its beauty for years to come. Remember, when searching for your Anthurium pallidiflorum, consider reputable nurseries or online vendors specializing in rare plants. Due to its limited availability, patience may be required. However, the reward of witnessing this captivating flower unfurl is well worth the wait.